Hello friends, welcome to our channel CNC Programming and Die Mold, and today in NXCAD we will cover this 4-point surface. This command we will use. For this command I need 4 points, so I will go to sketch and draw a rectangle so that we have 4 points. Now I want a surface using all these 4 points. Just go to surface, or you can choose this option from surface, 4-point surface. Now click over the first point, second point, third point and fourth point. The surface will automatically generate. Now you want to hide the sketch, you can hide this. So this is my surface command using 4-point. It is very easy, and while we are designing some surface body and a minor planar surface you require, that time we will use this. Okay, so next command we are going to use is SWOOP. So just delete this and show your sketch. Now SWOOP, insert this is surface, and insert surface in SWOOP. Currently it is hidden, and if you want to add this you can add, and close this. And in this we have this first point, and click over the first point and second opposite corner of the rectangle or the surface. Now here in control we have this horizontal. Now I want to stretch, it will stretch. Okay, but first I will band this. You want to band it which direction, you can band this. Now I want to stretch, this will stretch. Okay, now skew, if you want to skew in left side or right side, you can skew this. In the same, in vertical direction I want to band, you can band in vertical direction. This is my band. And skew, if you want to skew this, you can skew or set it to 50 as a middle point. Now here we have left side. In left side I want to twist this, it will twist, the surface will twist. Leave it. And shift, if you want to shift your surface will shift. And same as for right side, and same as for middle, skewness. From the middle, if you want to define the skew. And bend, if you want to bend, it will bend. Suppose this is my surface, it is looking like this, but when you click it OK, it will smooth. So hope you understand this SWOOP command. If you want to add this, just right click, customize and SWOOP, drag and drop and close. So hope friends you understand this SWOOP command and 4-point surface. Thank you for watching.